Julius Washington from the Washington Group. I'm out here in the Gates Village in Lugoff, South Carolina, in a continuation of our tour of this featured community called Gates Village. We're going to take a look at the Kerry plan here. The Kerry plan is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, all single story. As you can see, they got the red tag still. When you see that red tag in front of the house, you know it's got some special deals for you, incentivized for you to come. This house is saying, come by me. And they're going to give you some incentives in order to do that. It's about almost 1,500 square feet as far as the size of the home. And again, as I said, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, vinyl plank, luxury vinyl plank floors. That's the first thing you'll notice when you walk through the house. And the home has sort of like a split floor plan. So what you'll see is at the front of the home, you got 2 bedrooms that's separated from the master. Some parents like that. Okay, and this is the first bedroom. We'll start at the front of the home. You can see it's got a closet, nice carpet, and that's what you'll see here at the front. And split between these 2 bedrooms is a bathroom that they share together with one single vanity, Corian countertops and storage space, vinyl flooring, and a shared shower and garden tub combination. Okay, that's what you have here. Now you're looking here in another bedroom, a little slightly bigger than the other one, but here you go. Pretty much almost about the same size, to be honest with you. Okay. And as we transition down from here, walk down the hall. First door you see on your left is a door for the linen closet. This door here is essentially a door for your coat closet. And then we'll walk right into the living space, or a little space in your room here for your dining pleasure. But you also have some dining options here for this island that's located here. You're going to use this island, large island to be exact. Stainless steel appliances. Okay, in the kitchen, gas stove, granite countertops. Here we go, your washer and dryer. Not wash and dry, sorry about that, but your dishwasher. And then you got a stainless steel fridge. From here you have the pantry. Okay. Sliding door, a little patio area for you. And then this is your living space, where it's large and spacious enough for you to put a sectional in here, and then a big screen on, you pick and choose the wall that you want to use to put your big screen on. Okay. All right. Here's your 3rd bedroom, which leads to your master suite or owner suite. And now let me step back. Hey, take a look. You got a little bit of space in here. Put whatever size of bed that you want to put in here, along with the supporting dresser drawers and chest of drawers, okay? Here's your master's bathroom. Hard Corian countertops, dual vanity with this supporting storage space underneath. And here's your shower, a large spacious shower for your master suite, okay, with the toilet. All right, there's your walk-in closet. This is the 3rd bedroom, the 3rd and final bedroom, okay? Walk-in closet. All right, let's step out of here, leave from this bedroom here, and go into the final room, which is your laundry room, okay? Here you go. Got a space for a washer and dryer hookup, and here's your dryer. Washer is missing right now. I guess you got to replace it. And then here's your closet. More of your linen closet here, and then access to the garage. Okay, that's a two-car garage. That's it in a nutshell. Call of action for you today is: if you like what you see, I would ask that you consider reaching out to me. This house here it's got a special deal going on right now. I'd love to assist you in getting through this process here in this community. But if this is not the home for you, feel free to give me a call, send me a text, hit me up on WhatsApp, email. I'm available and I answer to all of them in a timely manner. I would love to have the opportunity to have a conversation with you about how I can assist you in finding your next forever home. That's Julie Swashin from the Washington Group, signing out. Have a great day.